In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. Whether you're working remotely, collaborating across different locations, or just trying to keep your team connected, using Slack's Huddle feature can be a game changer for quick, efficient audio conversations. Let's dive into the straightforward process that allows you to start a new huddle seamlessly. First, open the channel or direct message where you want to initiate the discussion. This could be a group of your teammates or just a one-on-one chat, depending on whom you need to communicate with. Once you have navigated to the correct conversation, take a look at the conversation header, which is located at the top of the window. You might have noticed different icons scattered across the interface, yet today your focus should be on the headphones icon. Yes, that little symbol designed specifically to help you get started. Clicking this icon is your gateway to initiating a huddle. There's a subtle variation you might come across, especially if your Slack setup differs slightly. In some versions of the platform, instead of finding the icon at the top of the window, it might be located in the bottom left corner. This design tweak can depend on which interface version you're using, but the fundamental function remains the same. Just be sure to keep an eye out for the headphones symbol wherever it might be. After clicking on the headphones icon, the huddle will kick off automatically. There's no need for further confirmation clicks or additional setup steps. This immediate start is part of what makes Slack huddles so efficient. The simple action of clicking sets the audio conversation in motion, making it instantly available for everyone in that particular channel or direct message. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once the huddle is active, everyone involved in that conversation will see an indicator of the ongoing huddle. They have the easy option to join in with a single click, enhancing accessibility and fostering real-time interaction. It's designed to emulate the impromptu, drop-in nature of in-person chats without the need for a formal phone call or a structured meeting. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've effectively leveraged Slack's Huddle feature to enhance your team's communication. It's a fantastic way to replicate those quick office chats we all sometimes miss, keeping your workflow smooth and dynamic. Be sure to explore this feature and see how it can best serve your team's unique needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to stick around for more tips and insights.